Can you tell me about the results of our collaboration?
We worked with you guys to develop 2 landing pages for 2 of the major moments we had. Combined across the landing page and our website on the release day of April 23rd, we had the 5th most visitors that we've ever had. And then I can tell you also that a very significant piece of our digital-based revenue on launch day came from people clicking off of the landing page into our online shop.
Okay, so thanks so much for participating in this. Really appreciate it. So maybe you can give me a quick introduction to who you are and what you do and who you work for.
Sure. Adam Cann, I'm Director of Digital Media at the Houston Texans. We're a NFL football team competing along 31 other NFL football teams based in Houston, been around since just after 2000, unveiled our colors. This is the first time the team had ever refreshed or updated its branding in the whole time that they've been around. So what we wanted was something that could make a big impact, a big moment on web. And we reached out to you because we thought that a Webflow landing page would be an ideal way to make that impact. And we needed some design team that could both build the site and then create it and code it out, and could do it in a very short period of time, quite honestly.
Can you tell me a bit about what was your experience like throughout the process of working with each other?
I think the big thing I'm taking away from it is that whenever I came back to you guys and said, "Hey, this is something that's come up. How do we deal with it?" The response was always, "Okay, we have a way to work around that. We have a way, something we can do, and we can still deliver something that's going to be impactful." And I felt comfortable saying, "This is someone I can trust to go beyond the original scope and still deliver." And to come to us and say, "Hey, what can we do to make sure that at the end of the day, everything that we put live is as good as it can be, and that you guys can understand who's visiting and when?" That was huge.
Can you tell me about the results of our collaboration? So where are we now? Like, how did it all work out, Adam?
Yeah, this is an easy one for me, right? We worked with you guys to develop 2 landing pages for 2 of the major moments we had. They were 8 days apart, so after the first one was complete, we jumped straight into the second one, and we hit our deadlines and we produced what you guys told us we would have. I can tell you that combined across the landing page and our website on the release day of April 23rd, we had the 5th most visitors that we've ever had, or at least since 2021, which is the furthest back I can go in our data, on our web properties. And 6 figures of that came from a landing page. And then I can tell you also that a very significant piece of our digital-based revenue on launch day came from people clicking off of the landing page into our online shop. Internally, I heard a lot of positive feedback about, "This is the coolest thing that we've ever done on our website. How do we make this happen? I thought we couldn't do something like this." And for me, that's the biggest reward, because I've been here just over a year. I have people who have been here 10 years telling me this is the coolest thing they've seen us do on the web. So that really told me that we had delivered something that was unique and special and will be memorable.
If somebody else is looking to get a website done, get their online presence done, do you think you can recommend our services here?
I think I'm going to go back to really the big thing for me is, if you need someone who is going to be responsive to your needs, but also really upfront about what can and can't happen, that level of strong communication allowed me to then come back and feel comfortable saying to you guys, "Hey, here's what's changed on our end. What can we do about it?" And to do it at 7 a.m. because we're in different time zones and different countries, to be able to get up early and then still say, "All right, let's knock this out. Let's figure out where we're going next." And then the next 10 hours, we're going to make a lot of things change. Those are the things that really make a difference for me.
Parts of our team were certainly working through some nights and being available, as much as we could for you guys. But very happy that it paid out. Like we knew that going in, that this was going to be an intense and kind of a unique project, given the situation that we're in and the urgency and the kind of the weight of the whole situation, that it needed, everything we got. And that's it's fun. It's intense, but it's fun.
Those two words combined are what it's like to work in the sports industry. So
Right.
when we look for someone to work with, we look for someone who says, "Oh, it's intense." Well, that's a positive.
Thanks so much. I didn't know, when we just sat down to be like, hey, should we work together? What is this project going to be? I didn't know it was going to be this fun and this wild of a ride. But I'm very happy it was. And best regards from my guys as well. It was awesome. So thanks so much.